We need 20 million people to vote for Biafra self-referendum. Simon Ekpa. Hello, my wonderful people. Welcome back to Balabas Gist. Which is then the first time we come across this wonderful channel. You are highly welcome. We see they here. They bring you update to back as it they hot. And the matter we will get for our table today now be Simon Ekpa will be the Prime Minister of Biafra government in exile. He don't come outside though for this video we will show you right now. He said that he need only 20 million people to vote for Biafra self-referendum. No be smart, you know, as you can't talk that thing now we say okay now. Some people don't they talk say they go vote. Some people say no, half self-referendum go bring Biafra come. But however, one may watch this video from beginning to end before we come back and continue.
Good afternoon, fellow Biafrans all over the world. This is the 21st day of January 2024, and I want to inform Biafrans today that Biafra government remain the only legitimate government of the Biafra people, and Biafra territory cut across the Hinta and the coastal part of the old eastern Nigeria, cut across lower Kogi and lower Benue. Today, the Biafra government has 40 states, officially the United States of Biafra. And for those who do not understand what Biafra government in exile is all about, Biafra government in exile is legal. And any government in exile that have the capacity to control its territory from exile have attained the required standard to have independent state. Today, we can call ourselves semi-sovereign nation because we have the de facto government. The Biafra government in exile controls the land of Biafra. Under international law, government in exile has the right to conduct election, participate in any political movement, especially in quest for total control and independent state of their various countries. Today, the Biafra government in exile is about to conduct a self-referendum. As a government, this self-referendum will start on the 1st of February 2024, and we have adopted the e-voting. I believe Biafra government will be the only and the first government that has embarked on self-referendum using the technological innovative that are available to us, and so we are adopting the e-voting system. Innovative. We're breaking the jinx. So all we need from you is your support and going out there to vote. Pick up your phone, pick up your tablet, pick up your laptop and do the needful. We are looking at getting at least 20 million voters for Biafra, and the rest will be history. Remember, the freedom of Biafra does not depend on this referendum as such, but it is part of the preparation and a part of our case against the Islamic State of Nigeria. We want to have these numbers, and then in Finland, when the result will be called, we are going to declare the restoration of independent state of Biafra. So the referendum is going to be one of the mechanisms and measures towards the declaration of independent state of Biafra. My fellow Biafrans, believe me, Nigeria is gone. Just like many multinational corporations, including the Unilever, who is the father of Nigeria, the company that bought Nigeria as a legal and business entity. Today, their businesses are folding up. And our task as a government is to sabotage every economic power of the Nigeria state and bring them down to their knees. That's what we're doing. So support the referendum, vote, which is very easy. And on the 31st day of this month of January, the Biafra government committee in charge of the ID card and voting will be live on air to educate Biafrans for the last time before the voting starts. May God bless you. I remain the Prime Minister of the Biafra Republic Government in Exile, Mazi Simon Ekpa. Anunkan Kampi, Obato Bie, Agune Chamber of Biafra land. There one to the BLA, the BRF, to the Navy, to the all forces of Biafra. It is time we move. God bless you. God bless Biafra.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you don't watch that video and hear everything where Simon Ekpa talk for this particular video concerning the self-referendum that took place for inside Finland. So guys, let us know in the comment section your own opinion. Yeah, my people know as that one day happen. Our brother, what did they call the church in the Joku? Onagona na what they call Matthias. no be the something on your manala. He don't come outside though with another one. He said that the Chinese people now they build their police for inside the Biafra land. This one now for Asaba. It dey happen. No be small thing no. Now I can say this one na true. I beg people wey dey for inside this Asaba side make una confirm this thing, because na something wey no good wey no fit try for their own country at all. E no go come dey happen for our own country o. No be small thing. How Chinese go come be their own police? That mean say if they come do the worst thing wey they wan do, they go even arrest our own people, put for their own police sef. No be small thing o. Yeah, my people, let's watch the video where Matthias dey talk this thing, and before we go come back, come continue.
Chinese are not building their police station here, even in Asaba. And they don't want you, they don't want their citizens to stay in the same cell with you. They are building, Chinese has police station here in Nigeria. Building their own Chinese police station. Look at how Africans have sold their soul to Jesus. You sold your energy to Jesus. You sold your common sense to Jesus. You sold your land to Jesus. That is why when you sell your land, a land here that was provided to you by your ancestor, in order to get a visa to travel to America, you still thank Jesus.
Yeah, my wonderful people, as you don't hear and for there, na so it take happen. But however, may you confirm this information and also share this video for more update as you dey hot. We see they here they bring updates back to back. May you share this video and follow this page. Make sure say you subscribe to our YouTube channel. We will see you for the next update.